Hi everybody, today we're going to look at the RAZOR Slim Electronic Muffs by Walkers. Here you can see the mic, the Earmuffs. They come with a omnidirectional microphone, low noise frequency, internal sound clarity, full dynamic range HD speakers for clear, balanced sound, sound activated compression with a 0.02 second reaction time, sound dampening composite housing with a, let me see here, .23 decibel NRR and an audio input jack. It comes with 2 AAA batteries, and that's what it operates on. And the NRR is a noise reduction rating. So 23 decibels is what that is. They are currently on Amazon right now for $39.99, which is a 43% discount. Save you $30, and they normally run for $69.99, $70. Says it's low profile, rubberized cups, made by Walkers, HD speakers, and it's what the back of the box has on it. Nothing too much. I got 2 pair. I believe you could get 2 pair on Amazon for the $50 range. So if you need 1 pair, you could get them for $40. If you need 2 pair, you could get the set of 2 for, I believe, $50 on Amazon. So here they are. When you first get them, they're like this. So you have to unfold them. Okay, to make them bigger, this comes out of in there, in that little housing sleeve. You just pull down on them if you need to get them bigger for a wider head, which I need them bigger. I have a big head. You see the omnidirectional speakers are right here. Here's the on and off. So when it's on your head, use a finger to turn it off and on. It clicks with the off and on button. There's the audio jack port right there. This does not have Bluetooth. It would be nice to have the Bluetooth feature. That way you can Bluetooth it to your phone. That way it'll pick up calls for you. But it does have this, so it helps. It's okay. I got 2 of these sets, and we're going to go out to the range. We're going to test out the new Heritage Rough Rider revolver. Let's see if it'll dampen out a 22, which is a good test, 'cause that's a light sounding gun. And then we'll test out one of the bigger caliber guns to see if it dampens those out as well. Has the cushioned ear pads here. Some fabric on the inside right here. When I put it on my head, it was a little tight. As you can see, they hold compression against your head there, so I don't know if they're gonna need to be broken in or if they're always gonna feel that tight. But for $40, this is a great investment for anybody that wants to get ear muffs. And you and your buddies could go out, or you and your families could go out and wear your ear protection and still communicate with each other without having to take them off and on every time you guys want to talk to each other. Does anybody else have a set of these? What do you like and dislike about them? Let me know in the comments. I'll try to leave a link below. Again, the Walkers RAZOR Slim Electronic Muffs. Okay. Oh, and this also does come with a 1-year warranty. And you'll get this in here. It's a little warranty registration. You have to put the model, where you purchased it from, your city, state, zip, primary use, your name, your address, city, state, zip, email address, and serial number. And you'll mail this in. And it has a 1-year warranty. What else do we have? HD speakers, input jack. It says it's a comfortable design, comfortable headband with metal wire frame that folds for easy storage, operates on 2 AAA batteries. And you could also get, it says a Walker's RAZOR walkie-talkie hands-free communication. I guess that'll connect. It'll clip onto these somehow. Maybe up here. And those walkie-talkies can communicate up to 3 miles. So if you're out hiking or a bit away from each other on the range, you could connect those, hook that up as well, and you could have the walkie-talkie. On Amazon, it says it's imported, but as you scroll through the page, it says they are designed and engineered in the USA. And there's a bunch of different colors you could get this in as well. You could get it in the American flag, black, camo, camo gray, carbon, coral color, yellow, the Don't Tread on Me design on there, FDE, FDE Patriot. And with the Patriot, it just has a little patch right here of the flag. Green Patriot, Cryptic, which is like a snake design. A bunch of different colors. You could even get them in pink. There's a pink accent here where all of this, the writing, is pink. The control here is pink. On the headband, this is pink, and the stitching along the headband is pink. The stitching seems okay. It's not the greatest of stitching. It'd be nice if it was a double stitch, just to add more durability to it, but single stitch is okay. The sage color, a teal color, teal accent color. There's just so many colors you could get. I don't know if the price stays the same with all the different colors. I don't believe they do. If you were to get the pink ones, they're $40.57 instead of the $39.99, which isn't too much of a big increase. The American flag one is $42.99, so they do a change in price as you select different colors. And these ones right here are the Just the FDE color, $39.99. Pretty plain Jane. There they are. We'll take them out to the range, and when we do, I'll make another video and show you how they fit and how we like them. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you like to see more reviews.